guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have an unboxing video for you guys. Now I just opened this up. I didn't want to show you guys the top because the address, the return address was like all over the box. Gigantic on there. So I just wanted to show you guys the swap that I got for Valentine's Day, the binder mail swap. So I sent mine out to Katie. Katie sent me one. So this is what I see as soon as I open the box. So let's get right into it. I see all this like crinkle paper. This is going to be perfect for Easter. I'm saving this for my Easter swap that I'm doing right now too. So yes, I am putting this in a baggie and I am saving that. This is honestly so perfect for Easter. I'm loving it. Love, love, love. I'm happy in a way that she didn't do Valentine's Day because I have tons of Valentine's Day stuff that I bought on sale at the end of the season. And I don't have any Easter, so I'm just pulling all that out and just putting it right into my bag to reuse it. So pretty full. Okay, I'll add more later. So let me show you guys what's inside of this box. Okay, hold on. Everything, I think this might have come off, I don't know what this is. Did this come off the binder or something? All right, hold on guys. Here we have some of these embellishments that are on a little straw. She has backed it with a doily. There's a rosette in there. And she layered it with what looks like the All Heart collection. Not sure about this, but very cute. Oh, she sent a few of these. Oh, this one. Okay, this one has a ribbon. Oh, did this one have a ribbon? I don't know. Oh, this one's cute. Another little doily, a rosette. That's a pretty rosette. I like the colors. And then a little birdie. And then there's two more. Here's another one. Oh, some more of the All Heart collection. Oh, I love these. I'm going to have to put these into my vase. I don't think I'll fit in all three of these, but one of them, I had like a Valentine's Day vase that I made of fake flowers, and I started sticking in like these kinds of things that people sent to me. So I'm going to have to pick out one of these and put it in there. And then there's this one with the heart rosette, not rosette, heart doily. A little teeny rosette here, a hot pink one, and then a flower and a bow. I like them. Which one am I going to put? Oh my gosh, I don't know. I don't know which one I'm going to put in my vase. Yay, these are so cute. I think this one might have came off of one of them. I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's put that aside. I do like this, though. This would be really cute on some binder mail. It looks like she also sent over a pocket letter. How cute. It says, love you. There's a heart, not a heart, a bow. You have some little bits and pieces here. Oh, so cute. Flower. Oh, I love this little vellum bow. I like this love you too. Is that? Oh, those are thickers. They're so cute. They're different colored kind of offset pieces. Very cute. A rosette down here that says make it happen, and inside of here there's a little vellum piece. I really like that. Here you have a heart and it says stay positive. And then some striped paper, and you have a butterfly and this thing that says love. Very cute. Thank you so much. This wasn't part of the requirement, but thank you. She also sent this other goodie here. It's a cute little box, and she had decorated it. It says life. I think this might be the All Heart collection as well. You have this gorgeous flower. Did you make this? Or did someone gift it to you, or did you make it? I love it. I love all the different layers. It's like 1, 2, 3 maybe layers? 4? I don't know. These leaves are from the Flourish collection, and then she has a rosette in the back, and she decorated this top with background of like a lip kind of paper. Lips paper. Very cute. Oh my goodness, look at all these cute little goodies she sent me. This is such an adorable embellishment box. Oh my god, and it looks like it's double Layered, what is this? Oh my gosh. This box is so cute. So here she has this pin that says magic. Then she has, oh, this is a little eraser, and it's a little heart, and another one, and another one. So there's 3 of those. Look how teeny tiny these little clothespins are. Oh my god, they're so teeny tiny. They're so cute. These little foam hearts right here. There's 2 of those. These little flowers. And you have this, what is this? Not like a binder clip. I guess kind of like also like a, I don't know, just a clip, I guess. I don't know what to call it. Then there is this, these teeny tiny little rosettes. There's 2 of those. There's this one and there's this one. How cute. Then she sent over some like pink and white twine, like a striped twine. Some of these wood chips of hearts. These are so cute. I've never seen these before. I really like these. I could alter them and put some Nuvo drops on them. And then these cute little like rosette bow things, but they're made out of like some kind of like ribbon. How cute. Those are so adorable. Thank you, Katie. These are so cute. And then on the bottom here, she has a rosette. Oh my gosh, I'm totally going to use this for my summer swap that I already signed up for. There's this cute little bow here. She has a whole bunch of these die cuts. Oh my gosh, I have this same die. This is from Coco and Reno. And she cut out a whole bunch of the little, you know, little bows. Oh, those are going to be coming in so handy. They're so fun to use. So she has a whole bunch of those. And then she also sent over some tags. Ooh, stuff are falling. So you have this pink tag. This one that has like a watercolor on the bottom. This cute striped one. Oh, this is going to be great for my summer tag flip as well. And this craft tag. Oh, I'm going to put those aside because I know I could use those all for my summer crafting. So cute. Thank you so much, Katie. Wow, so many goodies. And here is the binder. Oh, I forgot about these guys. They fell before. Let me put those back in the box. I'm going to take the binder out of the box so that you guys could better see it, and I could do like a better flip through when it's not chilling in this box here. But let's take this out. It looks so pretty. Okay, so on this binder, she had decorated it by putting in, sliding in like a piece of paper and decorated it. That says the beauty of you. I love this little layered piece right here that she did. She has like a gold background with a heart that says love, a frame, this gigantic flower. I love that. Is that from the Carousel collection or Bloom or Chasing Dreams? I don't know, but that's a gorgeous flower. I don't have that collection. And some puffy hearts here. She decorated, oh, not just the side, but I guess both sides with like this lacy, kind of holographic-y mermaidy trim. Can you guys tell? That is so pretty. And she put in another piece here. I think this is from, I want to say Heart Day, but maybe it's Main Squeeze, that collection. And then another paper in the back with these cute little puffy hearts. Okay, so now let's open this baby up. I'm so excited. So in here she has this piece of like foil paper. I don't know if that's meant to be a background or for me to use. She gifted me some of these heart sequins. They're like closed hearts, open hearts. These are from Dollar Tree. So she gifted me some of those, and she also gifted me some doilies as well, and she used one as a bag topper here. Then she decorated this side here that says she's all heart, definitely from the All Heart collection. Sorry guys, that was blurry, so you guys didn't really get to see that, but down here it says she's all heart, and there's like a little rosette and a flower. Thank you, Katie. So that's what's inside of this pocket. Oh my gosh, I love this. Here she has a doily. Oh, and she put all of these into like those clear things that you put in a binder. So here is a little doily. She has another rosette, and she decorated with the All Heart collection, it looks like, again. I think that's what she used for this. I like that collection. So she has a heart here, a little roller skate, and it says, "You go, girl." And then down here she has another one. It's a little rosette with a little bow on top. Then back here she has like this cluster, which is, you know, a cutout of a heart. I like that die. That's a pretty die. So it's just like a heart cutout, and it's very detailed. Another doily and some flowers, and this says Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Here on this side she has another doily that says "You are wonderful" with a cute little gold bow, a rosette with this little like figurine on here. And then on the bottom here, another rosette. She loves rosettes and doilies, guys. Another rosette, and here it says Dreamer. I like that. Then here she has another rosette with a little bow, and it says, it's like a little chipboard kind of ticket looking thing that says "Every moment is magical when I'm with you." And oh, she stuck these on. I think that's just decoration on that page. Then she has these little rosettes. Oh my god, so many rosettes. These little rosettes with, this one has a wood heart, and this one says love, and then a little bow down here. How cute. Oh my god, so many goodies. She did make these flowers. These are gorgeous. I'm so happy to have some of these. Thank you for sending some over. These are so pretty. Wow, and I think these are like the little gold balls, but she cut them in half and put them in the middle, which is such a smart idea. Oh my gosh, I love these flowers. They're so pretty fall. So it's 3 layers. They're so pretty, guys. I want that die. I want it. Then on this page, she gifted me a whole bunch of these little bows. It will definitely come in handy. I love bows. Can never have too many. Then she has more rosettes. She loves, seriously, loves her rosettes. So I don't know, do you make all your rosettes, Katie? I don't know how to make rosettes, but I'm curious to know if you make yours. Oh, this is another little flower. So pretty. I love the colors, the gold and the mint. She has another rosette here with a red and pink, and it has like a little enamel piece in the middle with like some hearts. Then another rosette here, a crepe paper rosette with a paper rosette and a bow. Oh, this is a nice pretty heart die. It's like a heart die, and in the middle says XOXO. Very pretty die. I don't have that, and I've never seen it, but I love it. Then she gifted me and made some of these little envelopes that I can decorate myself and add to. Thank you. Those are always fun to use. More of these wood chip hearts. Thank you. And then back here she has this thing that says 6 sticky bookmarks. Oh, they're cute. It says date, topic, goal. These little like notes. Oh my god, they're so cute. They have like little bullets on here, so I could take notes and, you know, write down what I gotta do for the day. Here's a little to-do list. Here it says just wanted to say hello, and I could write something. And then here it says anything is possible. Very, very cute. Thank you. And she decorated this with another doily and a heart. How cute. My first ever binder mail that I got back. Thank you so much, Katie. Everything is going to come in so handy. Oh, so many goodies. Thank you so, so, so much. Alright guys, so that is it for my binder unboxing. If you guys want to see what I sent over to Katie, I will have a link down below in the description box so you guys can see what I sent to Katie. But this is what she sent me. So yes, thank you again, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!